Thanks, Herman. The stories of desperation are slowly turning into stories of relief and joy for persons in Trelawney who have relatives on board the Royal Cruise Line. The ship is now docked at the Falmouth Pier. This evening, Dwayne Anderson shares the story of one such family.
Everybody frustrated. Everybody really frustrated because this minute they say they come home, next minute they say they come home, next minute they say they whip on the government.
Frustrating. That's how Tremaine described the wait for the Royal Caribbean Cruise Line Adventures of the Sea. It was especially tough because of these two little boys. Their tiny waves stood out among the eager onlookers at the Falmouth Pier. Their mother is aboard the vessel. They haven't seen her in months. But the wait is almost at an end.
What does it feel like? I see you're laughing, you're very happy. What does it feel like knowing they're finally home?
Trust me, at this time, really happy.
At just 4 years old, the boys are naturally inquisitive, so they question everything. And being twins, their questions came in pairs. Their favorite questions remained, where is mommy and why can't she come home? Now this phone and technology by extension helped with the answers.
What I actually have to do, I make sure I send videos, take picture, talk and video call throughout the day, numerous times. So just keep it going and stuff.
And the little ones, what they
when their mommy come home, they miss mommy and stuff. So you know, it's really hard for them. So I have to support them and support mommy on the ship same way.
How they keep in touch? What they say?
Video call, mommy I miss you. When are you coming home? Are you stuck? And stuff like that. So you know, yeah, really rough. Yeah, so mommy replied that she's stuck. So
as the only provider for the boys during the absence of their mother, Tremaine had to make a tough call and take the twins to work every day. Now, under normal circumstances, he would have left them with friends or relatives, but he could not be sure who are carriers of COVID-19. So to avoid exposing his sons, he took them on each job.
I go somewhere for work and stuff. I actually reach a location, I have to make sure I choose work where my vehicle can actually park in the driveway or close to where I'm working, because I can't leave them unattended in the vehicle and stuff, because that's trouble. So I have to monitor them, go inside, come back out in less than 5 minutes or less than 3 minutes, so back and forth. So I always explain to the customers so they have an understanding of what's going on. So yeah, it's really rough though, but I did my best so far.
The bad news though is that due to the logistics involved, no one will leave the ship just yet. But Tremaine is choosing to look on the brighter side.
Well, at least then they're in Jamaica water and actually in Falmouth Pier and stuff, so they're closer to home. So it's a great feeling to know that they are home now and stuff after a long wait and negotiation with the government and the ship line.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.